Our card
pictures.
is ready, right?
Yeah. So, Baba, can you pull out two pictures
so,
of
like picture like that. It's our picture.
Wow.
We're cutting the picture and put inside the pocket
Wow.
like that, and you write down the Eid Mubarak,
Yeah.
your name. So another one. So major success.
Wow.
Sayarafa.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Nubaid, and today we are going to make Eid cards. My dad's gonna teach me, so let's get to teaching.
Okay. So nobody I will download some picture from online. It's free site from online. It's the free site, okay? So I collect those picture from online. Eid Mubarak, Eid card sign, and I collect. Do you know this picture? I collect from different program. We took the picture for it. And
Guys, I'm gonna show you guys two
our
pictures.
card is ready, right?
Yeah. So, Baba, can you pull out two pictures
So,
of
like picture like that. It's our picture. We're cutting the picture and put inside the pocket
Wow.
like that, and you write down the Eid Mubarak,
Yeah.
your name. So another one. So major success.
Wow.
Sayarafa.
So-
Sayarafa. And
And that whole family in
Yeah.
there.
so you write down Eid Mubarak. Okay. Your
Okay.
name.
Oh guys, look, it's Sutu Sasa's family. So we have Sutu Sasa listened by my dad, me, my mom, Sutu Sasi,
You forget.
Hasin by Safin by both
And
of
what's the
them.
picture inside?
So let's first take out the first one. My family's and some by Nanu and Afas Nanu. Kind of doesn't make sense because she's not in here, but it's okay. It's okay.
What is the another one?
This is me as probably two, and me and Trudu Sasa, and yeah. E R A K.
Okay. Write down your name.
N U B A I D. And smiley face, of course.
Okay. So we have the picture over there, right?
Yeah.
Major Sasa.
Wait, how does the
Sayarafa.
picture feel like?
And Sayarafa too, and their family members. Okay. Can you pull back?
That's not much more, but it's okay, right?
Yeah. Let me see how your it card look like. Can you hold it? So yeah. Another one. We have to write down a lot of.
Wait, did you
Nobody.
use this or glue it?
I just put glue on it. So Busan Mamas.
Huh?
We have to write down each part. Jumma Mama, look.
Is
Okay.
that the only photo of
Don't
her?
write down right now. Later, okay?
Okay, is that
So,
the only photo of Juma?
This one is Surasasas.
Wow.
Can you show me? Can you show this card?
Wait, what? Wait, why do you...
Eid Mubarak is for the is for your school principal, okay? And
Principal?
yeah, and can you open this one? Let's see the picture.
This almost fell out.
Okay,
This is Falzan's family.
I get one.
Whoa.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll take it. It's okay. Leave it. Can you open this one?
I'll just put that there, but it's okay. This is Arshad's family. So I'm going to
Arshad
show
family?
you guys all the photos.
Surasasas families
This
and
Guys.
why is the Surasasas family?
Oh,
You get
you
it?
mean Falzan's family?
Yeah.
Oh, this came out of it.
No.
and it falls down.
Oh, can you take it, Nubayt?
Okay. Just so everyone these. So guys, I also have Arshad's dad's card, which has all the family numbers. So I'm gonna tell you guys. So Arshad's mom, Ajwa, me, Anjumafa, Arshad, and Arshad's dad.
Can you see the inside the picture?
Wow. And also, guys, new cards are coming, like New York, New Jersey, Maryland, and even
California.
yeah,
California for who? Rohan Bhai
Mumbai,
and Cutie Pie. Fatima. Yes.
and 2 sisters.
Yeah.
So
2
guys,
cousins. Okay.
yeah, this is Fauzan's family, and so Sasi and Sasa and Farhan Bhai and Fauzan.
Oh, you write down Eid Mubarak. Okay. Your
Okay.
name. So thank you for watching.
Please subscribe, click the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. So, and also comment down below Eid Mubarak, everyone. So, bye.
Bye.